Hi Divas, it's Coach Twy here with Fyne Fabulous, and it's getting so good to me that we are now in the process of talking about our monthly goals. So these are the goals that we are going to achieve in the next 30 days. So yes, by February 15th, which is in about a month, I will achieve the following health and wellness goals. Now we want to make sure that this goal is specific enough, one that you can actually measure, meaning that you can say, yes, I did drink a gallon, or yes, I did sleep 7 hours. Something that you can actually put a measurement against, something that is achievable in 30 days, and something that's realistic for your current lifestyle of who you are right now. So we don't want to think about who you're going to be, or who you are becoming, but right now, what is achievable for who you are today, right? So write that goal out, whatever that is. So for me, by February 15th, I am going to achieve the effort or the goal of losing at least an inch and a half off of my waist. I am going to lose at least 10 pounds. These are my goals by February 15th. I am going to ensure that I meal prep weekly and eat healthy. These are the things that I want to do. So, in order for me to achieve these goals, because we make goals all the time, we make them all the time. But let's put some actions behind our goals this time. So we're going to take the following actions to achieve this goal, right? So my first action is towards the goal of losing the 1.5 inches off my waist. I am going to drink a gallon or more a day. It's just true. Drinking water removes or helps to remove, helps your liver to remove the toxins from your body. You're helping your organs when you drink water. So drink it. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to drink as close to a gallon as I can. All right. So that's my first action. I'm going to do that daily, at least 6 times a day. My goal is to reach that gallon. Also, in support of the inch and a half, I am not going to eat any processed foods at all, period. None, zero. No processed foods, meaning no fast food, no chips, no popcorn, even if it's healthy. I am going to stay with whole base foods that I am cooking: vegetables, lean meats, fruit. This is all in support of my gut health and of me losing that inch and a half this month. I think that's realistic for me. Number three, in terms of supporting that inch and a half off of my waist, I am going to take daily supplements, the liver rescue supplements, to help with the bloat. I'm also going to take Mago 7. I take 3 to 5 pills of magnesium, that's Mago 7, a night. All of these things help me in reducing the inflammation that's built up in my body. So that's action 3, take my vitamins. Action 4, in support of me losing my 10 pounds, is I am going to meal prep. It is not an option. I need to have foods ready, whether it's buffet style, whether it's meal style. Action 4 for me is all about meal prep, and I'm doing it on a twice a week basis. I will meal prep on Sundays and Wednesdays. I am being very specific. That is my action. Action 5, in support of me losing 10 pounds, I am also going to get some sleep. Far more than working out, believe it or not, you need to get sleep. Fat loss, cell healing, muscle healing, muscle repair, All of that stuff happens in REM sleep. If you're not getting good sleep, you're going to stay the same, right? So you need to figure out how to get some good sleep. And for me, that's working out really early in the morning puts my lights out at night. I mean, my body puts me to sleep when I work out first thing in the morning. So that's my next action is to ensure that I make working out a priority for me, not because I feel like if I work out, I'm going to lose weight, because that's not the case for me. If I work out, I am more focused on eating right. If I work out, I have more energy. If I work out, my day flows how it should. First thing in the morning. So those are my actions. I'm taking them. And I encourage you to create your own goal, which is what we're doing here at the top, and then come up with actions. And you can come up with 6, ladies, right? Come up with at least 6. You probably have more. Last month, I didn't set any goals because I wasn't trying to do anything. I was actually trying to gain weight. So I did meet my goal. I gained lots of weight. So why? Because I was focused on it. But so leave that part blank if you want, or if you want to reflect on last month, do that. Write that in, and then share what your overall effort was towards the goal. This is how our planner is set up. Every month you have monthly goals with specific actions that you're going to be taking, and I'm sharing with you my goals for this month. And I look forward to seeing yours, ladies. Please, as your Diva assignment, please complete your monthly goals and your applicable action steps. Be very specific. Give yourself something, again, that's achievable in 30 days for who you are today, not for that image of yourself that you have in the future, but right now. What can Nicole do? Right? What can she do? I can do this, this, and this. Okay, that's where I am right now. And we're going to take baby steps towards where we want to be, because there is no time limit on this. There's no rush to this. I think a lot of times we just feel pressured to lose weight now and fast. And, like they say, our bodies are not Amazon Prime, right? It's not a microwave. So let's take our time and do this thing right. And we want to focus inward, meaning we're going to do the work on the inside to really think about who we are, where we are, and what we want. And then put that pen to paper and reflect on that. This is how lasting change happens. Short-term changes, I want to lose some weight, give me a meal plan, I'm going to go to the grocery store, I'm going to start cooking, without even thinking about all of this. No, not today. Not this time, not this month. We're going to focus, and we're going to focus on ourselves. That's the goal here. Monthly goals. Let's get them done, ladies. All right.